Yesterday was so good, I'm gonna do it again. The sun is very bright here. It's very warm. I'm gonna do the thing where I point at the sun again. I need to get my, but I sure should be able to see it. Oh, there it is. Okay, it looks a lot different today. Now this is a different time of day. Let me turn it around. Back in view again. Okay, there it is. Yeah, this is 2 in the afternoon Pacific time. Okay, that's about halfway between the two settings, which is 40 times and 1,000 times, I think. I'm going to zoom in all the way like I did yesterday evening. And that strange anomaly is not visible. So I'm guessing I caught a planet transiting, or I caught some kind of solar activity as it was happening. Certainly very interesting, and I'm going to look at that in greater detail later. And obviously I'll look at this one in greater detail later. Alright, so we're going to look at the sun again. Put it all the way to this. See if I'm at the sun yet. Boy, I'm wearing glasses, but I can't see what I'm doing very well. How's the sun? Okay, there it is. Okay, this looks like how it did yesterday. When I got partially in it. Looking around the corona area. Because yesterday there were some odd ball looking things out there in the air. Oh, there's that thing again. You can see it. Now, I recorded earlier in the day. Today, I wish I had on sunglasses. I can't see what I'm doing at all. My whole screen is just a reflection of my shirt. A car just went by. There's that anomaly. Now, I guess I'm going to end up splicing this all. Oh, a car went. I end up splicing this all together again. And as you can see in the footage I recorded earlier, you could not see this. You could not see that dark spot in the footage that I recorded earlier. I'm trying to stay as still as possible. Go in for one more zoom in. I can't stay still. And cars keep driving by. The sun is very low. And also in the spot where the sun is hitting my shirt, it feels like it's burning a hole through my shirt. I'm gonna go inside now. That's all I can do.